Why stop loss didn't trigger? Why take profit didn't execute, even though the price touched your level? This is one of the most common support questions in crypto trading. First, let's clarify what you're looking at. This chart shows the last price, the most recent executed trade. But in crypto trading, execution does not happen just because the chart touches your level. Orders execute in the order book. The order book is simply a list of real buyers and real sellers, people who want to buy and people who want to sell, right now. Now let's look at the order book and define two very important words: bid and ask. To understand bid-ask price in crypto, you need two definitions. Bid is the highest price buyers are offering. Ask is the lowest price sellers are requesting. Execution always happens between bid and ask. Now the most important part. The spread is the gap between the highest bid and the lowest ask. Almost always, ask is a little higher than bid. That gap is normal. It's not a bug. Here is the rule that explains most cases where traders think stop loss didn't trigger or take profit didn't execute. If you are in a long, you close by selling. Selling happens at the bid price. So long, take profit or stop loss, trigger when bid reaches your level. If you are in a short, you close by buying. Buying happens at the ask price. So short, take profit or stop loss, trigger when ask reaches your level. Example: long take profit at 80,000. You look at the chart and you see 80,000, but your position did not close. Why? Because to close a long, you sell at bid. If bid is still 79,995, then nobody is buying from you at 80,000 yet. So the order cannot fill. Now short. Take profit at 70,000. You see the chart at 70,000, but your position did not close. To close a short, you buy back at ask. If ask is still 70,005, then nobody is selling to you at 70,000 yet. So the order cannot fill. An order fills only when buyers and sellers meet. In simple words, a buyer must accept the seller's ask, or a seller must accept the buyer's bid. So, if you're wondering why your stop loss didn't trigger, or why your take profit didn't execute, check this. For long, did the bid price reach your level? For short, did the ask price reach your level? And always remember the spread. In most cases, this is the full explanation. Trading is not just about direction. It's about understanding how orders execute inside the order book. If this video helped you understand stop-loss crypto mechanics and how take profit really works, subscribe to Margex and explore our full trading education series.